Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we only using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we only using one account because you guys are beginners. You want to try it out, see if it works, so on and so forth, you know. And I'm just showing you the results that I get from doing that. So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business. And essentially, it's a funnel builder, but the main thing that I like promoting is the affiliate system. This affiliate system is fantastic. It's 80% recurring income. It means you get 80% income every single month. It's the absolute best product to promote that I ever found, guys. Alright, so now we're gonna look at our results. Let's refresh the page here. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal, guys. It happens, you know. So anyway guys, so the first step we got to do is get you guys these affiliate links here. I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. All right, so first off, once you're on one of my videos here, you'll be able to go to the description here. You open that up and you'll see step 1 and step 2. Step 1, my $25 all-in-one digital business, you just click on that. All right, you click on that, it's going to take you to this page here, which essentially explains what the $25 business is, what you get, and all that good stuff, and how much money you can make off of this $25 business, because it's 80% recurring commissions, right? You could really build an income off of this. So just go to yes, I want in. You click on that, and you're able to put in your information here. Now you just put in your information, all that good stuff. You hit yes. All that, you hit yes here as well. And what this essentially is training. It's training on traffic and conversions, how to get people to sign into the system. But the main reason that you want this product is because it's affiliate. You have to own the product to get an affiliate from it. All funnel builders do this, where you need to have the product to be an affiliate for it. So if you have that, you can really elevate the amount of money you can make. All right, so yeah, complete order, get instant access, blah blah blah. So once you do that, guys, it's gonna take you to a page or something like this. All right, well, not like this. You're gonna have to log in first. It's gonna take you to make your account real quick, then you log in, then you get to a page or something like this. All right, guys, so once you get to this page here, you just go to the affiliate zone. You just go to sign up for the affiliate program here. You click on that. It's going to take you to this page here where you can put in your information and apply. And once you apply, you could just go to your login to your sound card here. And once you log in the sound card, it's going to take you to this page here where all your links are. All right, guys. Now this is the link that I personally use, but you might want to go through them and find the one that you like personally, or even like rotate them, like go with a different link every time or something like that for every time you send an email through the My Lead Gen Secrets or whatever you want to do. But all right guys, so this is what we do after that. All right, so once you got your links, you go back to my video here. You're gonna see step 2. It's gonna say My Lead Gen Secrets, and you want to click on that. Once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this page here. Once you're on this page here, basically, first off, let me speak on what My Lead Gen Secrets actually is. Basically, what happens is that you get 100 leads every single day, and it slowly adds up and stuff that you can email once per day. You can email them once per day. You can't hit them all the time. And the cool thing about it is that they're interested in making money online, so that's perfect for what we're promoting here. So it's a perfect, you know, correlation, so to speak. So anyway, we're gonna just log in here. Make your account as well. Let me log in again. There we go. All right, so we logging in here. We're gonna go to the mailing system here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna select all our leads like that. And what we're gonna do is go to our next link here, right here. right? And we're gonna use this email here, guys. You can use whatever email you want, guys, but we're using this one. And you just scroll down. I'm gonna let you guys be able to copy it here. Boom, boom, boom. You just copy it. You can copy it. Pause the video, copy it. Pause the video, copy it. All right, guys. Pause the video, copy it. Pause the video, copy it. Right. All right. So, and then that's it. I just got my picture at the bottom there. So that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to hit perfect timing. They'll send an email around. People check the emails. You know what I mean? And we're gonna hit preview. Oh yeah, you guys hit preview and make sure your link works once you put it in there. So you want to make sure you send it to the right place. Anyway, guys, you can just send an email and you're done. That's all it takes. Very easy, very quick, very efficient. You know what I mean? So guys, that's all it takes. If you're interested, like I stated before though, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.